Welcome back to Jill Renee's, and today we'll be making oven-baked chicken wings. Alright, let's begin. Prepare our chicken wings, lay them out and pat it dry. For me, I'd like to make a small slit so it will cook easier. Then season it with salt and pepper. I did add chicken bouillon cubes so it'll be tastier. Then rub it on all sides. Drizzle a little bit of oil and then cornstarch. Mix it all together and put it in the oven. You can actually save those chicken oil for some sauces. While our wings are in the oven, let's make the sauce. It's very easy, it's not complicated at all. You just have to mix a bunch of ingredients, which I will be listing down in the description box below. The wings are done and listen to that crisp. Now it's time to coat the wings into the sauce that we made. It's just very simple, just have to assemble everything and now ready to plate. Look how easy and no sweat this dish is, and it's less oil. Alright, thank you for watching.